working on the Bernat Satin Slouchy Lace Beret, which is this right here. And so far I have completed the brim, which is the part that puts over your head. And then I've done 5 rows of the lace pattern. The lace pattern is on a chart like this. And what you do to read a chart is you start on the bottom row right here and you go from right to left. Now since we are knitting in the round, we always work from right to left, and we're always on the right side of the fabric. We're never on the wrong side. If you knit with 2 needles and you turn at the end, then you would be working on the wrong side on the way back. But since we're working in the round, we're constantly going on the same side. So we never work on the back of the project, on the wrong side. So since we're always going on the right side, then every one of these rows will be read from right to left. Right to left, just like that. And what you do is, it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 stitches. But we have more than 16 stitches on the needles. In fact, you have 96 stitches on the needles. So in order for us to do that 16 stitch design, we have to do it over and over and over again. And that's why you can see the design, how it's starting to have a shape to it now. So you can see how it's starting to come up. And if you compare it to your chart, you'll see that it's the same design. Because here we've got these little O's that are coming up, and what the O's are is yarn overs. So when you follow your chart, here we go. You just have to remember what your key is. So stitch number 1 is this little loop, which is a knit through the back loop. That little slash there is a purl. And this little upside down V is a slip slip knit. Then you have some blanks here, and the blanks are knits. And then the O is a yarn over, there's a knit, a yarn over, knit, 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 and then this other upside down V is a knit 2 together. Then we have a purl, a knit through the back loop, and then a purl. So that's how you read the chart. You go from right to left, and you just use your key. Well, right now we're at row 6 in my hat. I've already done rows 1 through 5, so I'm ready to do row 6. So I'm going to try to think about what this design is. It's a knit 1 through the back loop, a purl, and then a whole bunch of knits, then a purl, a knit through the back loop, and a purl. So that's not so bad. So let's count how many knits there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So what I'll be doing is I'll be doing a knit through the back loop, a purl, knit 11, a purl, knit through the back loop, and a purl over and over again. So I already did my very first stitch, which was a knit through the back loop to start with, just to secure it on, to keep this stitch marker from coming off. So there's that, and now I'm ready for my purl. So there's my purl. And now I'm ready to knit 11. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And then here I'll do a purl, knit through the back loop, and a purl. And then I'm ready to repeat that again. So start off with a knit through the back loop and a purl, and then I knit 11 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And I purl, knit 1 through the back loop, and purl. And that's the way it'll work over and over again across that round, all the way around until I get to the stitch marker, and then I'll be ready for row 7. So that's just a little bit of a guide on how to read a chart and how to do the lace design for the Slouchy Lace Beret. So that's it. See you soon in the Bernat forum.